So after you've done another verse, which is exactly the same as the first verse, it goes into another chorus. And it's very, very similar to the first chorus. There's just a few changes. As I say, you know, the A chord, whenever that comes along, is different. And you'll see, as I play through it, how it changes, and I'll teach you those. And then also coming out of it, it goes into a bridge. And it's very slightly different there. And I'll show you that as well. So everything's the same other than the A. So that's the first A. And then the second A comes along, G, D, A, something like that. And then back. And then the rest is the same, apart from the E minor is a little bit different and the A. But one thing at a time. So the first A. He does that this time. So if you can hear the lick, that's on the B string, 3, 2, and then 4, 2 on the G, and then second fret on the D. And he just does that twice. Like that. So holding down the bar of the A, play the A and the B together. Little tap, and get, you know, the D in there, and then up on the G, like that, play the bass note, and then 3, 2, tap with the 2, and then 4, 2, and then on the 2, on the A note on the G, play the open A string. So like, that's what's going on. And then up on the D. Tap, and then you just do that lick again. 2, and then this time, 3 on the B string, pull off, open A, and then 4 to 2 on the G, but that goes to a tap, and then open, so then the D string second fret. So like that, and then the rest is the same. And then the next A comes along, and if you listen to the recording, which I always, if you watch any of my tutorials, I always say it's absolutely crucial to be listening to the song as you learn it. If you listen to it on the track, he continues to play into the next bar, so there's probably 2 guitars going on there, but I've got it as like that. So the lick, really nice run, and that goes to a G. So just that lick is on the B string, you play 3, 2, and then on the G, 4, 2, and then on the D you play 2, 5, then 2 on the G, and then on the D, 5, 4, 2, and then if you can get it in, 4 on the A string. So the whole of the lick, and that links you onto a G. So like that, okay? So take that one really, really slow, and if it's too much, then just revert back to one of the previous ones that we've already done. And then G, D is the same, A sharp diminished 7, B minor, and then E minor, he's playing so this is leading into the bridge now. And then that goes into the bridge. So on this E minor 7, you're going to play the B string and the open low E string. Tap down on the G, up on the B string, low E string, D string. Tap down on the G, Okay, so that's just the pattern. And then you're going to play a second fret on the high E, and then the open low E, then open high E, tap down on the G, and then B string 3rd fret. So, sorry. And then open low E, up on the D, and tap down on the G. And then A, but it doesn't stop there and hang on the sus4 this time. You kind of keep it going. So that's home down at A, play the A and the B string together, tap down on the G, and then open A with the sus4 now, so the 3rd fret on the B string, tap down on the G, so then catch the open high E, open A string, 2 on the B, tap, 3 on the B, open A, and then play that B string 3rd fret, and then tap down on the B string 2nd fret. So, sorry, like that. Up to speed is about that fast. And then G. Okay, so on that G, I'm playing 3rd fret on the low E with an open B, then a hammer the note of B, the 3rd fret, sorry, the note of D, the 3rd fret on the B string, tap down on the G, and then open B, so low E, 3rd fret, open D, and tap down on the G again, and then A sus4, play the 3rd fret on the B string with the open A string, tap down on the G, and then remove the sus4 and play the 2nd fret on the B string with the open A and tap down. So it's like, and from the G, and then 2 bars of D, and then you go back to then you go back to a bridge, which I originally said was the same as the verse, but it's actually the same as the chorus. Forgive me for that. So there's an awful lot going on there. Take it very, very slow.